Have you ever felt like someone in your life is making things more difficult for you? The devil sends people to steal our blessings and disrupt our journey. This video will uncover 6 key signs that someone might be sent by the devil. By recognizing these signs, you can protect your peace and well-being. Stay tuned to make better choices about who you allow into your life. Learn how to spot and avoid negative influences and get effective tips on dealing with them. Let's dive in right away. Sign number 1, love bombing. Love bombing is when someone showers you with excessive affection, attention, and grand gestures in the beginning. It feels amazing and can make you feel like you're on top of the world. But after this intense phase, things often change. The same person who was once so loving might start to criticize, belittle, or dismiss you. You might find yourself wondering what went wrong or why you're no longer valued. This emotional roller coaster is a common tactic used by narcissists to manipulate and control others. During the love bombing phase, they make you feel special and cherished. This creates a strong bond of trust and affection. But once they've earned your trust, they change their behavior. This tactic is designed to make you dependent on their approval, keeping you stuck in a cycle of highs and lows. Stay aware of the pattern. Don't let their intense affection cloud your judgment. Set clear boundaries and observe how they behave over time. If their behavior shifts from overwhelming admiration to criticism, be cautious and prioritize your emotional well-being. Remember, genuine relationships are consistent and respectful, not based on dramatic highs and lows. Sign number 2, gaslighting. Have you ever felt like someone was messing with your mind or making you doubt yourself? This can happen when someone is trying to control or deceive you. This common trick is called gaslighting. Gaslighting is when someone makes you question what you saw, heard, or felt, making you doubt your own memory or feelings. Gaslighters use tricks like denying what happened or making your feelings seem less important. This constant confusion can make it hard to trust yourself and keeps you under their control. What's worse is that they never take responsibility for their bad actions. They blame their behavior on you. Don't bother trying to discuss your concerns with gaslighters, as most of them aren't willing to listen or empathize. To avoid being gaslighted, trust your own feelings and perceptions. If someone constantly makes you doubt your memories or experiences, take a step back and assess the situation objectively. Keep a journal to record events and conversations, which can help you see patterns and validate your own reality. Set clear boundaries with those who try to manipulate or control you. Sign number 3, superiority complex. Someone with a superiority complex acts as if they're better than everyone else and constantly seeks praise and attention. For example, an employee who claims other people's ideas as their own and belittles their teammates demonstrates this behavior. Being around them can seriously drain your energy. They might brag about their own achievements while ignoring or dismissing yours, making you feel unimportant. Don't let the way they act make you doubt yourself. Stay confident in who you are. Avoid feeding into their ego. It's not your job to make them feel good about themselves. Keep your conversation short. Most importantly, protect your energy. Don't feel bad about saying no. By setting boundaries, you maintain a positive space without letting their attitude affect you. Sign number 4, lack of empathy. If someone constantly takes advantage of your kindness or emotional support without showing genuine concern for your well-being, they're likely lacking empathy. An example of this is having a friend who always comes to you when they need advice or a listening ear. But when you're going through a tough time, they're nowhere to be found. Maybe they cancel plans when you need them the most, or change the subject when you try to share your feelings. This one-sided relationship leaves you feeling unsupported and drained, showing that they lack genuine empathy for your well-being. They often target empathetic individuals who are more likely to fall for their manipulations. It's very important to set clear boundaries and limit your interactions with them. Prioritize taking care of your own feelings and mental health when dealing with them. Instead of letting their actions or words affect you deeply, avoid engaging with their tactics. Surround yourself with supportive and understanding individuals who value your feelings. Sign number 5. Constant negativity. People influenced by dark energy often spread constant negativity. They usually focus on being negative and critical. They always focus on the negative aspects of any situation. Even when many positive things are happening, they don't know how to be appreciative or thankful. If you want to be a positive person, it can be hard to stay hopeful when you're surrounded by this type of person. They might even accuse you of being positively toxic. Their comments are rarely constructive. Instead, they aim to create doubt and insecurity, preventing you from feeling good about yourself and reaching your full potential. They use negativity to stay in control and feel superior. By making others feel uncertain, insecure, and less confident, they can dominate and feel more powerful. This also keeps others dependent on their approval, which strengthens their sense of superiority. You need to limit your time with them to avoid being dragged into their negativity. It's also helpful to maintain a positive mindset to counteract the negative impact of their words. Remember, you have the power to choose who you allow into your life. Sign number 6. Bad behavioral influence. Have you met someone who encourages you to engage in behavior that goes against your values? These people don't just follow their own questionable paths, but try to pull you along with them. Instead of helping you grow, their goal is to lead you away from your principles and compromise your integrity. They might tempt you with promises of excitement or pleasure, hoping to involve you in actions that clash with your moral beliefs. Whether it's deceit, manipulation, or indulgence in things like greed, lust, or envy, these people are determined to drag you down because they enjoy seeing others suffer. They have a sneaky way of changing how you see things. They might slowly get you to question your own beliefs, making actions that once seemed wrong start to feel okay. Before you know it, you might be doing things you never thought you would, just because they've gradually shifted your view. To fight this kind of influence, it's important to remind yourself of what you believe in and stick to your values. Keep yourself grounded in what you know is right, and don't let their persuasion change your path. By staying true to your own beliefs, you can protect your sense of integrity and stay on track with your personal growth. If you have a friend or family member who shows any of these troubling signs, it's important to remember that you can still care for them from a distance. Loving someone doesn't mean you have to let them hurt you or cross your boundaries. It's okay to protect yourself while still holding space for compassion and understanding. By keeping a healthy distance, you can manage your interactions in a way that preserves your well-being and personal boundaries. This approach allows you to care for them without being drawn into their negative behaviors. It's all about finding a balance between maintaining your own emotional health and offering love in a way that keeps you safe. If you're still here, thank you for your time and attention. I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. If you noticed any signs we didn't cover in this video, feel free to mention them too. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need it. Stay on the right path. Check out these other videos you might like